Okay, I'm going to show you today two quick little DIYs of how I use my Breathe blend, my respiratory blend. First of all, since it's all things are ways, I find that wearing my mask gives me headaches, I feel nauseous, and I have to wear it all day when I'm at work. So what has helped me is spraying some of the, I put 20 drops of Breathe in here, and then I just fill it up. Probably I can fill it all up, it'll be fine. And then I just go 1 or 2 sprays in my on my mask, and then I put it on and I'm good to go. And it actually, I've noticed that I don't get headaches because I have more oxygen just by spraying a little bit of Breathe. I could also just, if I don't have my sprayer with me, then my spray bottle, I just put 1 drop inside, 1 or 2, because it's too strong sometimes when you just put a drop or 2, and then it's too much because it's like the mask is on your face directly. So I just put 1 and that's it. But I find that it's better when you have it on your spray bottle. Another really quick DIY is one that we use a lot here at the house when we are congested, is you just boil some water and take it out of the stove. Very important. You don't want to do this while your water is boiling. And just put 1 or 2 maximum drops of Breathe in here, and then grab your towel, put it around you, and then just breathe it in, breathe it all in. This would is going to really help you with any congestion that you have, anything that you need to flush out. It'll flush it out super quick. Do it for as long as you can stand it, but do it like 3-4 times, and then you will be good to go. I hope you enjoy, and thank you so much.